How to organize your life in just 3 steps from your home? Do you ever feel nervous or stressed? Maybe you meant to be calm and peaceful throughout the day? Would you like to think and act in a relaxed manner? Then you need to pay close attention to this presentation. Hi again, I'm Jose Frank, founder of Liberating SL. If you have felt nervous or stressed sometimes, I can understand why. Because I used to be so nervous during the day I could not sleep at night. I used to be so stressed that I could not enjoy my life. Before creating my book, 3 Steps to Organize Your Life, I always wanted to find a good solution to my problems. I suspected that this should exist, but I didn't know where to find that solution. Now, you'll discover how to organize your life and live a life of peace and happiness. You just will need to follow the 3 steps. Removing your nervousness and your stress with the 3 steps to organize your life is easy and fast. You will verify it with the step-by-step attachment that will serve you to intelligently go all the way. 3 Steps to Organize Your Life is full of other great content, including the importance of acting in small steps, the 3 steps. We'll call them the 3 P's for the initial letter. They are: ponder, think about the thoughts in your head. Prioritize, classify your thoughts according to their importance. Protect, reserve time in your daily plan to act on them. Download the ebook 3 Steps to Organize Your Life immediately, with its attachments and gifts. Act now. Click on the button Download 3 Steps below and you will better organize your life.